Global aviation leaders have pledged to work towards a full recovery of air travel by 2024 by removing all COVID-19 restrictions for fully vaccinated travellers. It's one of three focus areas outlined in a joint statement released on the second day of the Changi Aviation Summit. Geraldine Yap with more.
The aviation industry has seen recovery over the last few months as countries around the world ease border restrictions and restore air links. For governments and industry leaders, the immediate priority now is to speed up this recovery. They've committed to streamlining healthcare protocols for travellers within the next 2 years. This includes removing testing and quarantine requirements for fully vaccinated or recovered travellers, taking into account the domestic and global COVID-19 situation. The International Civil Aviation Organization says that one lesson from the pandemic is that border closures are not the solution to stopping the spread of a disease.
And the vaccine is one of the fundamental measures, but there are other mechanisms that could help to filter and to reduce the impact of the transmission of the disease. So what we have learned is that we have to incorporate in our standards and recommended practices better, more comprehensive mechanism to filter and to prevent the transmission of the disease. And we have experienced that with the COVID-19, the cooperation between ICAO and the WHO is essential.
Singapore Transport Minister S. Iswaran agrees that cooperation will be key to dealing with challenges of the future, whether health-related or not.
Whether it is mutual recognition of digital certificates, whether it is finding the accommodation that is needed from a healthcare perspective whilst we pursue border reopening because of the economic imperative. These are the kinds of things which have, I think, the instincts have been honed further in the course of this 2 years. And I think those are the strengths that are going to help the industry deal with the next crisis.
And even as the industry walks out of the shadows of COVID-19, global leaders will be looking at building back better with a focus on environmental sustainability, manpower training and adoption of technology.